bulijjo twogera ku ssente y'omuwoomusolo engeri gyebbibwa n'engeri gyekozesebwa obubi. Kati bannayuganda bagamba nti kale eno ntandikwa balindiridde okulaba baani abasayininze baani abatasayininze abatafa ku ssente y'omuwoomusolo.
Obudde bwe buno okulaba nga ebikyamu byakolebwa bisasulibwa. Bangi bali balowooza nti azaake mu komishoni bamugjayo lwa fujjo naye ndowooza mutandise olulabya buli kimuntu nga kizze mu lwatu nti abaali bakola effujjo be bano, nti abaali bakola ebituufu be baggibwayo. So nze ndi musanyufu nnyo kubanga kino kikolebwa, era mmaze wiiki nnamba nga mpulakitisinga akasiginicha kange. Mbadde eyo mu country tour nga mpulakitisinga akasiginicha kange neme kutuuka wano nga baga nti ate kabadde kabulamusi yeyo.
If the president wants this motion not to go on, he will call all of us. I belong to the NRM parliamentary caucus, which has not taken place. I have not heard any word from the president against this motion. So I urge members of parliament who still want to be relevant and clean in society to come and append their signatures. I also want to appeal to the members, Honorable Sechikuo, Sir, and others who are spearheading this, that publish those who are not coming to sign. Publish them. They are calling it a joke, but the population is waiting for them. When I was being censured, the motion was raised by Honorable Solomon Serad, and he showed the public that he's a very clean man. Now this is a man who is taking parliamentary money, the service award, for what? Honorable Mpuuga came out and mobilized opposition members of parliament. You remember what he was saying? That for us here, we want, openness. Yeah? For us, ours is integrity. Where is his integrity right now? Where is the integrity of Masha Mpuuga, the honorable? If he can get 500 million, that's service award, which service did he provide and to who? Then should also ministers start demanding for service awards? No wonder I have seen now ministers who served before, they are also coming out to say that they served this country, they are suffering out there, and they are